Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us world's first Android 10 HD TV, which comes with the Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, and is the Motorola ZX2, which is a 32-inch Android Smart TV. This TV is Big Billion Days sale special, which is available on Flipkart to purchase right now at Rs 13,999. So without any further ado, let's show you the unboxing experience first. In the front of the box we have the model name and the picture of the product. And here you can see it's a 32-inch Android TV with Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision support. And you also get the built-in Chromecast. Now let's open the box and see the content. So first we get the user guide and a base installation guide. Then in the box we get the power cord, audio video converter cable, and here is the remote controller. The remote controller looks well built and the layout and the button spacing is really good. You also get few dedicated buttons here such as Netflix, YouTube, Google Play and Z5. Apart from that, you also have a dedicated button for Google Assistant, which you can also use to control your smart devices. Then in the box you get these mounts, which I will show you how to attach in a moment. Apart from that, you also get this box here, which has the wall mount. And here is the TV unit itself. Now let's install the desktop stand. The desktop stand we have here is of metal, and it's really easy to install. And here it is, the Motorola ZX2 Android TV. We also have some key features listed here such as the Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision. And this TV comes with the Mali G52 quad-core graphic engine, which is better than OnePlus TV, which has G51 GPU. And in this TV, you get the 1.5 GHz MediaTek processor, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage, and you also get the Amphi SoundX Pro support. Now talking about the ports and connectivity option, first of all the ports are on the side, making them easily accessible. And here we have the LAN port, digital audio port, 2 HDMI port, out of them one is the HDMI ARC, and then we have the 2 USB ports, antenna in port along with the audio video in port. Setting up this TV is like any other Android TV, and you can set it up through your Android smartphone and log in with your Google account. And here it is, our TV is now ready to use. So the first thing I want to show you is the OS. This is the world's first Android TV which comes with the Android 10 operating system. Right now it's fully updated, but you'll be getting the regular OTA update for this TV, which is similar to an Android smartphone. Now looking at the layout, you have your favorite pre-installed apps on the top, and then below it you have the suggested content from Netflix, Amazon Prime, Google Play, YouTube, etc. And after that you have the Google Play Store suggested apps which you can install it on this TV. One thing I immediately noticed that the navigation on this TV is quite snappy and smooth, and there are no lags and stutter while going through different menus. And also the remote controller is quite responsive and the quality of the buttons is also pretty good. Talking about the hardware configuration, you get the 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage. This TV also comes with the response time compensation engine introduced by MediaTek chipset as a substitute for MEMC. Now coming to the most important thing, that is the performance of this TV. I have used this TV to watch content on Netflix and YouTube, even though it's an HD TV, but we found the picture quality pretty good. While watching Netflix, we were able to stream Dolby Vision supported content, for which you get this logo on the top right. This is probably the first TV I have tested in this price range, which comes with the Dolby Vision as well as Dolby Atmos support. And guys, technologies like Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision are the best technologies at the moment. And if you're watching supported content, the experience is totally different and you get the theater-like experience. Now coming back to the performance, in this TV, we also get the HDR support. And guys, I can't tell you how happy I am with the performance of this TV. You can also stream YouTube content on this TV in 4K as well. Now in terms of the connectivity and other features, this TV comes with two-way Bluetooth, which is version 5.0. And here you can connect Bluetooth keyboard as well as gaming controller. I have played some casual games on this TV using a gaming controller, where the performance was decent. About the connectivity, you can connect a LAN cable, and also this TV comes with dual band Wi-Fi, which is really good as most of the other TVs in this price range comes with single band Wi-Fi, and during our testing, we didn't face any issue with the connectivity. Now coming back to the picture quality, while watching Dolby Vision supported content, you can choose between different calibrated modes such as Dolby Vision Bright, Dark and Vivid, and you also have the option to turn on the Dolby Atmos. And here you can select different modes such as standard, movie, music and sport. Now talking more on the audio part, in this TV we get the DTS sound support apart from the Dolby Atmos. The output of the speakers in this TV is 40 watt, where you have 20 watt high bass speakers and 20 watt tweeters. And here is how they perform.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
So guys, the audio output from the inbuilt speakers is very good, and overall I'm really happy with the performance. So overall the Motorola ZX2 32-inch Smart TV offers a lot of features which we have usually seen in some high-range TVs. The design is very good and I personally like the desktop stand. The bezels are thin and the overall build quality is really good. Performance-wise, we are happy and surprised with the audio and the video output from this TV. And with the Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, we think that it's a value for money product, and if you're in the market for a budget Android Smart TV, then we highly recommend you to check it out. The Motorola ZX2 is available exclusively on Flipkart for Rs 13,999, and at this price, we think that it's an amazing deal. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Motorola ZX2 32-inch Smart TV. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this TV in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.